Timu ino ya athaki 25 ikinyire guku bururi-ini thaa 5:30 umuthi mathaa manini thutha wa guthaka na timu ya bururi wa Gambia na kuuma draw ya kufunga na mbaũ 3-3 na kũhũndũka bururi-ini na pointi 1.
You could see that we scored 3 goals away from home. It shows that there was something coming into the attack, and we hope that we can continue to find the back of the net in the upcoming games, which is quite important. And going forward, we hope that we can continue with the same team spirit that the team showed yesterday.
I think we were all disappointed we didn't win that game. We had so many chances and so many half chances. We could have won that game by a lot more.
Kocha wa timu ino Beni Makathe akiuga riu arongoreirie kwigwatira pointi 3 muthenya wa kiumia iria imwana ciake igacemania na timu ya bururi wa Gabon kiharo-ini kia Nyayo guku Nairobi niguo Kenya inyihie mwanya wa pointi gatagati-ini kayo na Gabon aria matongoretie gikundi giki kia F na pointi 12, pointi 6 mbere ya Kenya iria ihandite namba 4 na ciothe ithakite ngucanio 5.
I don't want to have a lethargic, a tired team, because, you know, the turnaround for the next game is so short, and then you play players who's maybe tired, and those are the opportunities. You don't want to give Gabon the upper hand. So yeah, so we might have to change the team slightly, but so that we can have energy and we can give you guys, the fans, a good spectacle, but also we want to go for the win.
Kahinda-ini oro kau mehariria ma ngucanio ya kiumia ni mambikitwo ari hamwe na wendia wa tigiti na ugiteri wa athaki oro ndumwe na macambiki aria magekinyia kiharo-ini kia Nyayo kwirorera ngucanio ino.
We have the in charge Nyayo Stadium, we will deploy officers as we provide, and I want to believe that everything is all set. Even as we come tomorrow to see to it that the final touches are okay.
We will urge all the football fans to log on to tikiti.co.ke. The regular tickets are going for 300 bob, the VIP tickets are going for 1,000 bob, and the VVIP tickets are going for 10,000 bob.
Handu-ini ha Inoro TV iharo-ini ritwa riakwa ni Captain Festus Lango.
Oh, what a strike that is!